Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young.
When creating a video in ComfyUI, it will look more natural if the character also moves her lips. The module used at this time is Wav2Lip. However, I could not find Wav2Lip in ComfyUI custom node. A useful method at this time is to use Gradio. In this video, I explain the process of creating a lip-synced video on Gradio. In the first step, using the ComfyUI API. And in the second step, using Wav2Lip. To convert the character's lips to move in accordance with the song. First, I will explain the basics of how the ComfyUI API, Wav2Lip, and Gradio work individually. Next, I explain the process of creating a video using ComfyUI API, and then creating a lip-sync video using Wav2Lip on Gradio. I have been using a desktop PC to create photos and videos using ComfyUI. Then, as the desire for higher resolution and long frame videos arose, I started using Google Colab. And this time, I ended up using the ComfyUI API function due to a new need. There are 3 example Python files for ComfyUI API in the ComfyUI script examples folder. The example file consists of workflow, URL, input parameter, change, and queue prompt. It runs as back-end processing and the results are saved in the output folder. Before executing this example, check the checkpoint model in the workflow section and modify it to the model you will use. If the model is not in the model folder, an error as shown in the screen will occur. The screen shows the setting method for saving the workflow to be used in the API. There is some difference in format between general workflow and workflow for API.
The top, we're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
There are 3 example Python files for ComfyUI API in the ComfyUI script examples folder. Model is not in the model folder, so and the error below in the screen occur. Modify model. In the second example, WebScript client needs to be installed. If you delete the comment mark CTRL+, the image will be displayed.
The best we ever had. It will stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top.
I created a lip_sync folder and prepared video files and audio files. Next, I clone the source code in the above URL into the lip_sync folder. When running the info.bat file in the Wav2Lip folder, it downloads the necessary requirements and model, completes the environment settings, and automatically runs lip sync. During execution, a video file and an audio file are requested as input sources. Just copy and paste the file path. As shown in the screen, the first step is to create a video using the ComfyUI API, and the second step is to create a lip sync video. On the Gradio homepage, many examples are organized by category and you can test them right away. The simplicity and variety are amazing. It's not that difficult to understand Gradio and find the examples I need. I found an example that runs in 2 steps. The final implementation will look like this. First, I created the front-end screen. Finally created 2 bat files and 1 Python file. The lip_sync_bat file creates a Python virtual environment in the Wav2Lip folder. The lip_sync_app_b file is the main program that runs ComfyUI API, Wav2Lip and Gradio. dinfo1.bat file receives video files and audio files and executes lip sync. This is the workflow used to create the video. Since the video created in step 1 will be used in step 2, it is assigned to the global variable latest video. Load the workflow. To change the input parameters of the workflow, change them by specifying the node ID number and input key name. Trigger the workflow by Q_prompt. As shown in the screen, check whether video creation is complete by checking that Q_remaining is 0 in URL.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Q_remaining is 1 until image creation is complete.
Wake up, I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you.
重要的是我会爱你的，因为我害怕寂寞。你在我面前晃来晃去的，我变得恍惚了，感觉这就该是我最终的幸福生活。